In this video, you will learn how to install Scipy library in a Python project in Pycharm IDE. For that, first we will open that Python project in Pycharm in which we want to install Scipy library. Now before starting the installation, do hit the like button if you find the video useful. Now to install Scipy, we will click on this file here. Then go to this new project setup and here we will click on this settings for new projects. Now we will click on this Python interpreter. And from this drop down of Python interpreter, we will select the correct Python interpreter for which we want to install Scipy. For me, the correct Python interpreter is this one, which is present inside this Hello World project. So I will select this interpreter here. And please be cautious while selecting the interpreter here, because if you select the incorrect interpreter, then you won't be able to use Scipy properly in your Python projects. And it will give you errors whenever you will try to import this Scipy library. And as soon as we select the interpreter from here, we will see all the packages here that are already installed for this selected Python interpreter. Now we will click on this plus icon here, which will open up a new window of available packages. Now to install Scipy, we will search for Scipy in this search box. This is the one, we will select this. Now here, this is the option to specify any specific version which we want to install of Scipy. And if we do not change this option and keep this as it is, then it will install this 1.14.0 RC1 version, which is the pre-release version. And it is not recommended to install the pre-release versions because these are not the production ready versions. Let me show you on the PyPy website also. Here you will see that this RC1 version is the pre-release version and the latest production ready version is this 1.13.1. So we will also install this 1.13.1 version only. Let's go back to the Pycharm now. Now here to install that specific version, first we will enable this option. Now from this drop down, we will select that specific version, which is this one 1.13.1. And now we will click on this install package here. Once this is installed, we will see this type of message, which is package Scipy installed successfully. Now we can close this window from here, and here we will see this Scipy package along with the other packages, and it was not present earlier. Now we can click on OK, which will close this window as well. Let's now verify the installation, whether the Scipy library is installed properly or not. And for that, we will write couple of lines of Python code here. So first we will create an empty Python file, and for that we will click on this file here, then click on new, then here we will click on this Python file. Now we will give the name of the file, so let's write hello here, and we will double click on this Python file. So this will create the hello.py file for us. Now in this file, first we will import the Scipy library. So for that we will write import Scipy. And let's now print the version of Scipy also. So for that we will write print, then Scipy dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. Let's now run this program, and for that we will right click on this and we will click on this run hello. Here in the output, we did not get any error. So it means the import was successful. Also in the output, we got the version of Scipy, which is 1.13.1. So now we can say that the Scipy library is installed properly and we can use this in any Python code now. Let me know if this video was useful to you.